Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the new guidelines issued for Lockdown 5.0, the salons have been reopened for the customers. The reopening of salons has been a good news for the public. They have introduced major changes to their way of functioning to minimize the risk of infection. The salon owners are taking utmost care in sanitizing the entire salon twice a week by using disinfectant sprays.
Hi, my name is Rajiv Dhawan and I am the founder of Just Flaunt Salon. We launched this salon in the year 2013, so we've been operational for close to 7 years now. The pandemic has changed the way we operate our business, the way we handle customers, our processes, everything.
The beauty industry is following a fresh set of guidelines for the staff and customers, right from following strict timings of operation to implementing several sanitation protocols.
While we have been extremely careful about the safety and hygiene factors at our salons, this pandemic has pushed us to take this to the next level. And that's one reason why we've made all the necessary changes that are required to make sure that you get the best salon experience. Most importantly, you get the safest salon experience. As part of our safety precaution measures, we have also made sure that everything from sanitization of the equipment to clearing it from UV to giving our staff PPE kits, we are taking all of that to increase in the disposables that we are using to make sure that there is as much as possible we reduce reusage of any equipment as possible. So while safety has been an extremely important aspect of not just for us but for every other business, we are also glad to see that a lot of customers are walking in and they are extremely happy about the way we are taking safety so very seriously. This pandemic has also taught us that we should make sure that we continue to do some of this even after all this settles down. So that is a good thing that we are seeing, where customers are appreciative of the amount of safety that we are taking at our salons, and that is probably a step for us to move towards some kind of normalcy in the near future. So I would also look at this as at least a partially essential service, because grooming is an important aspect for every human being, and probably it's not as important as food, but it's somewhere around there. So that is one reason why we are making sure that right now it's not about commerce, it's not about the economics, it's about making sure that every customer feels extremely confident and comfortable with all the safety precautions that we are taking.
Thermal checks are a must for the customers before entering the salons. The staff are instructed to use personal protective equipment, PPE kits. The beauty tools are being sanitized using UV sterilizer and disinfectant sprays before use.
Apart from this, I'd also like to put forth a few points which probably is not just relevant to us but to a lot of other small businesses. The way we look at the economy right now, it's extremely difficult for a lot of medium and small sized enterprises to survive this entire pandemic. And I think each one of us can make an interesting contribution to make sure that they all revive at the same time and they revive as soon as possible. So try to put in a good effort in terms of appreciating whoever is doing things to the best of their abilities. And if you find that some medium or small business is not up to the mark, I would suggest that it is better that we talk to them directly and inform them, let them know about what is happening, and give them an opportunity to improve. Let us not just try to put everything out there and try to damage their reputation or anything else, because this is going to be extremely difficult for every small and medium sized business, whether he is from the salon industry or any other industry for that matter. So we all can make that little contribution, and though I'm not very politically inclined, but I do appreciate the fact that we need to be extremely vocal for local, as the Prime Minister has said, and I think that can help all of us recover from this as soon as possible.
The customers are also advised to take prior appointments to maintain the social distancing norms. Your next visit to a beauty salon will surely surprise you like never before.